We are given a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z is equal to d to the power w. So what do we do is we take it equal to some constant k. So b to the power y equals to c to the power z equals to d to the power w is equal to k. Now, if we compare a to the power x is equal to k, so we get a equals to k to the power 1 over x. Then we have b to the power y equals to k. So we have b is equal to k to the power 1 over y. We have c to the power z is equal to k. So we get c is equal to k to the power 1 over z. And then we have d to the power w is equal to k. So we have d is equal to k to the power 1 over w. Now, once we have these values, we shall plug in the values in the second statement, which is b equals to cube root of a times c times d. Now, before we plug in the values, what do? Is we take cube on both sides. So we get b cube equals to a times c times d. Now b is k to the power 1 over y. Whole raised to 3 makes it k to the power 3 over y. K to the power 1 over x times k to the power 1 over z times k to the power 1 over w. Now this is k to the power 3 over y equals to, now a to the power m times a to the power m times a to the power anything will give us, using the rules of exponents, 1 over x plus 1 over z plus 1 over w. Comparing, because the bases are same, comparing the exponents, we get 3 over y equals to 1 over x plus 1 over z plus 1 over w. And that's our final answer. So the value of 1 over x plus 1 over z plus 1 over w equals 3 over y. Thank you for watching.